One of the biggest advantages of solar panels is the lower energy bill. However, you must be careful that it does not get clogged under the solar panels, and that no birds, stone martens, mice and even rats will nest. With our aluminum, bird and martens proofing, solar panels can be made totally vermin-proof. With an aluminum comb, in 2 mm thickness, it even stops stone martens and rats. The comb prevents that nothing can end up under the solar panels. It is quite easy to assemble using stainless steel self-tapping taps. It lasts a lifetime and can also be reused on other solar panels, which is good for the environment. The system is unobtrusive and has a professional appearance. The products can be ordered in our webshop, aluper.nl. We ship worldwide, in small and large quantities. We are happy to advise you to make sure that your projects succeed.